WITSON.
Hi guys, Rob from Xbox Auto here. I'm just going to show you a install we've done today. It's been a long time coming because we do get loads of interest on the minis. We do have screen replacements and also CarPlay boxes for it, or CarPlay Android Auto MMI boxes if you want to call them. Now just to give you a little bit of history on the car, this is the ones with the Speedo and nothing else, just asking if you can fit these type of boxes, but as you can see you need these ones with these circular icons on there. Today we were in the CIC version of the car. The newer version tends to go to MBT, which we've also got systems for that car too. And also if your car's got the Evo setup, which is obviously a lot of the new cars today, you have to be very careful in ordering these boxes because they don't tend to work. The only reason being, and I don't know how rare they are, but obviously the data statistics show from the factory that the MMI boxes in the Evo car, you must have a CD host down here, so you know the CD driver. Personally, I've not come across an Evo car with the CD driver, so obviously we're not being able to sell to that car, but factories are seeing adamant that they do fit them. Reasons they don't fit is because behind the CD section down below is obviously where your power cable goes to onto the Evo, and that's what the cable is supposed to match on the MMI box. But when you find you haven't got the CD host down below and the MMI box going into the Evo screen has the major cable, the power cable goes into the back of it. It's a totally different shape compared to the one which obviously the car's with the CD. Now I'll go on to this box anyway. As you can see, it's got the main home page. I'm just going to press the home button, which is down here by the gear stick, and you see it goes into the CarPlay. Now I will tell you, the graphical interface on this, unfortunately, it does cut off slightly around here. Nothing you can do about that, I'm afraid. But obviously that's the one downside to it, but everything else seems to work to it. So you've got a little command panel down here. So if you want to go onto these sort of menus here, you can press up and down and cross sort of thing. If you want to go to Google Maps, just press the button down here. So let's just go to the home page. So this is let's have a look. This is Android Auto today. It's obviously set up to an Android phone. I'm normally one to show the CarPlay side of things. I've got an Apple, but I've brought my phone into the car today. This is an Android box, just the engineer's phone, so he's just done the install. As you can see, nice and swift, nice and responsive. No lag on the systems. What we always recommend when you put these type of boxes in the car is just have a couple of days of using it, then do a factory reset on it. Only reason being is that they're made in the factory on pretty much by machine and finished off by hand. All good and well, but they can't actually be tested in the car. So as they bed into the car's ECU and you're doing all these connections on the first day, it can just pop up a little bug. It's rare, but it can happen. So obviously what you just do is just do a factory reset, which is on this side here. So as you go into here, it shows you the home page of obviously the MMI box here. As you can see, exit, YouTube, wireless dev, which is obviously wireless connection, auto, which is auto connection, and in here is 1 second, it will be in this one here. As you can see down here, it's got reset down there, so I'll just do a factory reset. Also, it might be worthwhile doing a reset every 2 to 3 months on your phone, on this box, should I say. Only reason being is the more you update the OS on your phone, is the systems tend to work off the old patches on your phone, so the more you update it, the higher security, the less compatible it will be, because as I say, it's paired with your old settings. So just every once in a while, just do a little reset on it, just to basically do a new connection with your phone. If you want to go back onto Android Auto, just go into this little icon here, just select that one, just go back to there. Okay, so if you're not familiar with CarPlay, it tends to bring a lot of your apps from your phone. It can't do anything like YouTube and Netflix and all that. Only reason being is because this sort of software it's not compatible with like moving images and stuff like that on them types of files. So it will bring across stuff like your maps, any type of maps, your messengers, Spotify, WhatsApp, podcasts, any sort of radio station apps on your phone, SoundCloud, there's another one, WhatsApp and stuff like that. So you're all probably familiar with quite a lot of them there. So I'll just go back 1 second just to show you a little bit of troubleshoot on the system. So if we go back out to there, as you can see, these systems come with YouTube and AirPlay, which is pretty much like mirror link down there. Stay away from it, guys. Just don't order these systems if you want YouTube on them, or if you want this AirPlay. Only reason being the way it connects to your phone for these two apps here, it's pretty similar way to that it connects to this wireless connection here. So as soon as you go to these apps here, it's going to knock your phone's connection off there, so you'll find that the system will either struggle, it might even crash, or it might just not work. So just do us a favour, buy these systems for CarPlay and Android Auto alone. Don't buy them for YouTube and AirPlay. A lot of sellers will promote these to you, I won't. Only reason being because they are a bit more of a headache than what you'd expect, sort of thing. So I wouldn't go near them, even if another seller's offering them. Just be dead careful with them. As I say, it's just more something than it's worth. Okay, guys, I'll bring it to an end. As you can see, it's still nice and swift and responsive. We have fitted a rear camera in the car today. You just double check, see if I'm familiar with the gear stick. Just a push down one. Second, put the clutch in. So like I say, there's the rear camera. Just got a bit of building work going on at the back of our unit here. So as you can see, it works nice with that anyway.
WITSON